Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to give hidden line or center line to the complete drawing. I will draw one circle here. I have drawn already the line. Suppose if you want to give center line or if you want to define hidden line to this line, I will go in properties panel, and in properties panel select the third box, that is of line type. In line type, by default you will not get any of the lines, that is center line, hidden line. You have to go in other, then click on the load option. After clicking on the load option, here there are different line types. Select any one. Suppose if you want hidden line, just type H and press OK. So the hidden line will be loaded into the box. Again click on load, select any line. Suppose if you want center line, press C, OK, then click on OK. The lines whichever you have loaded in the box will be visible here. Okay. Now it's time to turn the normal default line into the hidden line. Select this line, then in the third box select here hidden. I have specified hidden line to this line, but the gap of the dash is very much less, so they are merging into one another. I will increase the gap between the two dashes. So again in other, click on show details and increase the global scale factor 10. Okay. If you want less gap, then go in other, specify scale factor as 5. Okay. Now if you want to change this circle into the center line, select this circle, click on this box and select this center line and escape. Or if you want to continuously draw into the center line, select center first, then draw the line. Same condition will be applicable to the hidden line. If you continuously want to draw into the hidden line, first of all select hidden line, and then you can draw it. Okay.